What is good, world? It is your motherfucking boy, The Session. I'm here looking fantastic, glamorous. You see me with the nice vegan leather jacket. I'm out here feeling good today. And I'm feeling good today because of my health. And how do I keep my health good? By using ombre and by exercising. Ombre is amazing. I'll get a video to y'all on that soon. It's going to make sure your gut is clean and clear. And speaking of health, we have an entire video based and dedicated to Teladoc. And this is me and Cathie Wood's favorite health stock right now, so I suggest you stay tuned. You did. All right, people, so this video is going to be short and sweet. I want to tell you some news about Teladoc. Now, on your screen, you're going to see some stuff. You're going to notice that Teladoc has been in the headlines over the last few months, but sometimes for the good and sometimes not for so good. We've noticed that it's plunged down over the last, honestly, few months from Q1 to Q4. So with the speculation remaining, we still see some interesting information on it. And what I would like to do is take us to tip ranks. Now, when I open up tip ranks and I pull up Teladoc, you'll see right here that it's already $80, but it's projected to go to $141. This is amazing news for me. This is huge upside. The average cost I have right now is a little over $100. So this is very, very good for me. We can load up. And I want you to understand, I'm also not the only person who believes in this stock, because if we scroll down and we go over to stock analysis, right? You'll see it's only a 5 right now because there's been a lot of movement in the market and a lot of correcting. But when we go to hedge activity, you see hedge fund activity has actually been increased. And when we go to it, you can see how much what the signal is, and you scroll down and you'll see Cathie Wood. Cathie Wood right here has added $2 billion worth of this. You still see Ray Dalio is an investor in this, but he reduced it just by 3%. I guess he wanted to mitigate some of that loss, but he's still the second biggest hedge fund in the stock. So to me, this is huge, okay? And we see that it's projected to go to that 141. There has been a lot of news in it, and I listened to Cathie Wood today. She was actually live today on Public. So I don't know how many of you watched it, but she was answering questions. I thought it was going to be like a live public speaking, but she did answer some questions, and it was pretty helpful. I tuned in for a few of them, and when I checked her out on Public, I seen that some of the latest news had her in it. And shout out to Sadia and people in the Discord. They've been telling me that Teladoc is on the verge of replacing Tesla as ARK Invest's biggest holding. Here's why Cathie Wood is so bullish on the tech community, or on it. Here's why Cathie Wood is so bullish on a telemedicine company. And for those of you who don't know, you know, telemedicine, I believe, is the future. When I moved to California, I was able to get my med card on my phone. A doctor appeared, he's eating chips, he's overweight, and he's like, yo, is your back hurt? Boom, writes me the script, writes me the signature. And just like that, I'm able to have my medical cannabis card. I truly believe this is the future. We spoke about JetDoc with Rick Ross. Shout out to the boss, Rose. But Teladoc is huge. So Cathie Wood believes that, honestly, it was 1.24. What was it? Honestly, the ARK Invest portfolio had 1.24 billion in it of Teladoc, meanwhile having 1.25 billion in Tesla. So every time she would buy Tesla, she would buy Teladoc. I guess the main reason she opened this is during the Rona 19 time, she noticed a boom in business. Teladoc noticed a boom in business, and she's seen that the company allowed you to schedule virtually doctor visits, and they waive co-pays. It's very decreased. My mind, she's an innovator. I've seen what she's done in the past. I've researched what she's done in the past and followed her history. That's why I believe her when she says these things. Now, the fact is that the pandemic changed a lot of things, changed a lot of people's perspectives. Look at Zoom, how that accelerated. There's a lot of companies that change the way people are going to think from here on. She's been quoted to say they have a real business, and she does notice some cross-selling opportunities in the past with Teladoc. She says here, Teladoc's price to sales right now is 5x. United Health is 13 to 14x. Teladoc's growth rate revenues will tell you over the next 3 to 5 years, 25 to 30% plus, and United Health maybe 10%. So there's something very interesting about this picture. AKA, she really believes in the future of the company. So when I go to Teladoc right here, you'll see I'm down in the position. Again, I bought it in the hundreds, but you'll see today alone it is up. But you'll see today alone it is up over 4.7%. And then on the week, we have a nerve to be up another 11.6%. I am optimistic on the stock. I'm very bullish on it. I'm going to keep buying this shit. Y'all tell me below what you think. Okay, I love Teladoc. I've been talking about it for, for almost a year or however long it's been. You correct me in the comments, I don't know. But the point is, I'm very interested in the company. I have seen the transformation of things to virtual. Look at NFTs, look at Bitcoin. She was on Public today talking about blockchain technology. Let me know your thoughts. I love you. And as always, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. Until next time. You did.